होशियार 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 गो बैक नहीं चलेगा नहीं चलेगा नहीं चलेगा नहीं चलेगा गो बैक गो बैक गो बैक गो बैक
No justice!
no rest
No justice!
no rest
Gary, go back!
go back go back
Gary, go back!
go back go back
No justice!
no rest
No justice!
no rest
Gary, dadagiri no sulibo!
no solibo no solibo
Gary, dadagiri no sulibo!
no solibo no solibo
Gary, dadagiri no sulibo!
no solibo no solibo
Gary, go back!
go back go back
Gary, go back!
go back go back
No justice!
no rest
No justice!
no rest
Gary, go back!
go back go back
Gary, go back!
go back go back
Gary, go back!
go back go back
Long live!
long live long live
Long live!
long live long live
Gary, go back!
go back go back go back go back go back
Gary, dadagiri no sulibo! Gary, dadagiri no sulibo! Gary, dadagiri no sulibo!
go back go back go back go back high 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 no rest murabad 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 murabad
Gary, go back!
go back
Gary, come on, Timur! No solibo!
go back 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 justice 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 go back go back go back go back go back go back Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Justice! Justice!
At Volongkom Aji Samson Singh Park, and we are coming all together here to hold a protest, and we are protesting against for our rights. Today, yesterday incident, some Bihari people, they have beaten our Karbi brothers, our Karbi Student Union, our Karbi Student Association brothers. They have beaten so badly that they were injured seriously. Some will be alive or not, still we are not about to tell about that. So today we are all together here because in our motherland, in our land, in our sixth land, the Biharis are now, they are attacking to us. We know that they are illegally inhabitants of the Kheroni. They are residing here as an illegal. So where are the authority? Where is the council? Where is the state government? Why are they not taking action against them? They know the government know that PGR and VGR cannot be settled by anyone. But they are the immigrants. They come from long far away, but they settle. And today the incident happened. They beat the local people, the Karbi Student Association brothers. They have beaten us badly. So today we the people of Karbi Anglong and from Volongkom Aji, we seek justice. The culprits should be punished, and punished as per law. And I will request to the authority of Karbi Anglong and to the authority of state government that the culprits should be arrested and they should be punished against the law as per law. And this is our statement. Thank you.
Dalam patuni kerunia long, kiasa lebih banyak sih orang pun long tak. Bijar le, ada pen kita tu macam eviction lagi pula bangsup tak. Alung kachesong pen yang mana curi apol hut. Kerunia lah, itu Karbi hari so teman. Tang, ada yang pin pen. Teman dari motor king, karena kau tiada yang hukis tu dulu. Dan sila bangsup kita prabjin pen litum Karbi long. Bangsup bijar long le long kita tumpan. Karbi long Assam Sarkar tum eviction sedak ni. Ya set tum set ni rak Volongkom Aji long kachesong pun dulu. Sila bangsup kita kawan se RDP ponji ma Karbi long. Apa yang kita kawan se RDP ponji ma. Bombong.
Go back. Long live. Long live. We want justice. Biari dadagri no sulibo. Justice! No solibo! Go back! Go to the back! Justice! Murdabat! Oi, panglen caca. No solibo! Long live!
Leo puan lah.
Dia pernah main typo. No solibo! Dadagiri no solibo! Go back!
Lang litum kachesong lagi. Labangso kachesong jun se tik sang tum labangso in Karbi soi jang tum dak Volongkom jun se kachesong pon bam polak kanang akimang jun lo panca tum kachesong tum ington bam po. La se tim Karbi long tum kachesong bang. An se pumi bombong.
Go back! Long live! Long live!